Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to set up payment options in Shopify. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So go to the settings, click on payments. Here we can integrate payment gateway like Shopify payment. So I don't have permission to complete this step, so I was just showing. Next you can go to the manual payment method. Click on manual payment method, select cash on delivery, give a message. Okay, it has been activated. So next you can go to the general setting to check the store currency. Here you can see the current currency of store. The currency is already set and cannot be changed. So that's it. This is how the different types of payment option we can set. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.